Hey, TorqueAtlas crew, buckle up because today we're diving into something wild. Top 3 most luxurious Chinese sedans coming to shock the world. And yeah, I'm not talking about some concept cars we'll never see again. I'm talking about real metal, real tech, real competition. Chinese automakers are stepping straight into the luxury battlefield, where Mercedes, BMW, and Lexus used to reign alone, and they're doing it with confidence, style, and ridiculous prices that'll make your jaw drop. If you're into premium rides, cutting-edge EV tech, or just want to see what's shaking up the old luxury game, stick around. Hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and smash the like, because this lineup might just make you question every car commercial you've ever believed. All right, let's start the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Picture this. A full-size luxury sedan from China that's nearly 5.5 meters long, 2 meters wide, and built to battle the Maybach S-Class, but costs less than a fully loaded Toyota Camry. That's the Huawei Maextro S800, and it's not just a car, it's Huawei's mic drop moment in the luxury space. From a distance, it looks like a mix of Bentley elegance and Rolls-Royce stance, big, bold, and proud of it. You've got a low, wide front end, majestic LED headlights that look like jewelry, and two-tone color schemes like gold black and silver purple that whisper money. The wheelbase? 3.37 meters. That's longer than most limos. Step inside and it's pure theater. Imagine being wrapped in soft Napa leather, surrounded by 43 speakers pumping out a 2,900-watt sound system that could wake the neighbors 2 blocks away. The seats are zero-gravity style, the dashboard runs Huawei's Harmony OS Cockpit 2.0, and the whole interior feels more like a tech lounge than a car. Every inch screams made for billionaires, but get this, it's still cheaper than a used Mercedes S-Class. Now this beast isn't just about looks, it's electric, with a tri-motor setup pushing around 852 horsepower and 850 pound-feet of torque. That's enough to throw this giant from 0 to 60 in about 4.5 seconds. Not bad for something that looks like it should have a show fire. And the price? Drumroll, around $98,000 to $99,000 in China. For that, you're getting Maybach size, Tesla-level acceleration, and tech that makes an iPhone look outdated. It's wild. But here's the kicker. Would you trust Huawei's first full-size luxury car over your tried-and-true Mercedes or BMW? Drop your take in the comments, because this debate's gonna get spicy. Now, buckle up, because if that one impressed you, number 2 is about to make even Tesla nervous. Meet the Avatr 12, a full-electric luxury sedan co-developed by Chang'an, Huawei, and CATL. It's basically China's answer to the Porsche Taycan, but with a twist. This beauty boasts a 700-kilometer range, that's around 435 miles CLTC, and can hit 60 miles per hour in about 3.9 seconds if you pick the dual-motor trim. The exterior? Sleek, aggressive, almost spaceship-like. It's got this low coupe silhouette with long lines that flow like liquid metal. If you squint, you might see a little Lucid Air or Aston Martin Rapide in its DNA. The door handles disappear into the body, and the headlights look like they were designed by Iron Man's AI. Inside, it's a tech lover's dream. A massive 35-inch 4K panoramic screen stretches across the dash, plus a 15.6-inch floating center display and a secondary passenger screen. Huawei's Harmony OS 4 runs the show, so everything from the seat massage to the air purification is voice-controlled. The materials? Leather, brushed metal, ambient lighting that makes it feel like you're inside a boutique hotel lobby. Now, don't expect this to be a 7-seater grocery hauler. It's built for 5, with tons of legroom and a trunk that'll easily fit your luggage for a weekend in Vegas. It's that perfect blend of practicality and luxury. Under the hood? Well, there's no hood in the traditional sense. You get your choice of a single-motor RWD with 313 horsepower, or a dual-motor AWD setup pumping 578 horsepower. It's powered by CATL's top-tier battery packs, ranging from 90 to 116 kilowatt-hours, and charges insanely fast with an 800-volt architecture. And the price? Between $38,000 and $50,000 depending on trim and market. Let that sink in. A car that could rival the Porsche Taycan for less than half the price. China's basically saying, you want luxury? We'll give you luxury and make it affordable. Now here's the real question. Can the Avatr 12 match the reliability and refinement of European rivals? Or will it be one of those love it now, regret it later stories? Type yes for Avatr 12 or no way. Because up next, our number one spot is a machine that practically rewrites what luxury range means, and it's gonna make even Tesla's engineers do a double take. All right, ready? Let's talk about the Huawei Aito M9. This car doesn't just look futuristic, it feels like the future. How about this for an opening line? A claimed mixed driving range of 1,474 kilometers. That's 916 miles in the ERE version. Yeah, that's not a typo. Over 900 miles of combined range. Let that marinate. From the outside, the M9 is like a luxury spacecraft that decided to disguise itself as a sedan. Sleek aerodynamic lines, a drag coefficient under 0.27, hidden door handles, adaptive lighting, everything screams engineering precision. It's about 5.23 meters long, roughly the same footprint as a BMW 7 Series, but it looks even more imposing thanks to that wide stance and elegant proportions. Step inside, and it's like stepping into a $200,000 living room. We're talking a 75-inch AR head-up display that overlays navigation right onto the road. 3 massive screens up front, a 12.3-inch instrument panel, 15.6-inch central display, and a 16-inch passenger screen. Then for the second and third rows, you can option up to 4 10-inch screens and even a 32-inch retractable laser projector. That's not a typo, a projector in your car. Imagine watching Netflix in 4K while charging. That's the M9 life. The seats? Zero gravity design with massagers, heating, ventilation, and memory presets. It's so plush, it makes business class seats look like folding chairs. The air suspension can raise or lower the car by 80 millimeters depending on the terrain. And that audio system? 25 speakers surrounding you in hi-fi bliss. Performance? Choose between pure EV or ERE, extended range electric vehicle. The EV version has a dual motor setup with 489 horsepower, while the ERE version adds a 1.5-liter range extender engine for that record-breaking 1,474 kilometer range. It's luxury that actually goes the distance. And here's where you'll start shaking your head. In China, this starts at around $64,000 to $70,000. That's basically the price of a loaded Toyota Highlander in the US, but you're getting tech and luxury that rivals a $150,000 Mercedes. Of course, the big question remains, will these cars ever get full global support, dealer networks, and after-sales service to make them a real threat to Germany's elite? And would you actually buy one if it landed in the US? Because honestly, for this kind of tech and price, it's tempting. Now, let's do a quick recap before we wrap up. At number 3, the Huawei Maextro S800, a massive luxury electric sedan that's as flashy as a Bentley but costs less than a Model S. At number 2, the Avatr 12, sleek, futuristic, and a tech lover's dream come true. And at number 1, the Huawei Aito M9, the car that makes range anxiety sound like a bad joke. These aren't concepts anymore. They're real. They're in production, and they're changing how the world looks at Chinese automakers. If you still think luxury equals German, you might want to check your calendar, because the future is rolling out of Shenzhen and Chongqing. So, what do you think? Would you trade your BMW 7 Series for an Aito M9? Would you trust Huawei tech in your car after seeing these numbers? Let's get that debate rolling in the comments section. And hey, if you made it this far, you're the real TorqueAtlas family. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and ring that bell so you don't miss what's next. Because next time, we're diving into 10 cheapest Chinese SUVs that could replace your Ford or Toyota. Yeah, you heard that right. Luxury today, budget beasts tomorrow. Stay charged, stay curious, and keep that torque high. This is TorqueAtlas, signing off.